This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to edit on a video software platform. First, launch your VSP and begin a brand new project. It is crucial to import all your media, such as video clips, still images, and audio tracks, into the project library. Take a moment to organize these assets into clearly labeled folders. Finally, confirm your project settings, like resolution and frame rate, to match your desired output quality. Now, let's dive into the core editing process. Begin by dragging your imported clips onto the timeline in the desired sequence. Utilize the trim tool to precisely adjust the start and end points of each segment, ensuring smooth transitions. If you need to remove a specific part or add something in between, the split tool is your best friend. Remember to carefully adjust the audio levels for every clip to achieve a balanced sound. To make your video more engaging, consider adding visual flair. Transitions, like fades or wipes, can smoothly connect different scenes. Experiment with the software's built-in effects to give your footage a unique look or correct minor imperfections. Don't forget to add text overlays for titles, captions, or important information. Finally, integrate background music and sound effects to elevate the overall viewing experience and emotional impact. You're almost done. Before exporting, take a moment to thoroughly review your entire video from start to finish. This final check helps catch any last-minute errors or areas needing refinement. Next, navigate to the export settings and select your preferred format, such as MP4, and choose a high-quality resolution. Pick a clear destination folder for your final file. Then, simply click Export and share your amazing creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.